got it. Job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Gabe here, aka HBCU, and I'm back with another YouTube video.
I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, what I had back to. Red up, baby, boo, she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been a flip the way I move my lips. I be speeding, could've been the driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could've been a bitch, the way you throw a bitch.
Homecoming week is officially here. So this is the start of homecoming week. So today it is Saturday, October 5th. First on the agenda, this is the homecoming kickoff party. So it started 20 minutes ago. It started at 10. It's 10:20. So I was planning on getting there by like at least 10:45. So as y'all can see, I'm fully dressed. So y'all already know do a little fit check for y'all. Once I get done, doing this little intro. Before I get to the video, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabe. This is G Square TV. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you've been here with me since day one, if you've been here with me since the beginning, thank y'all so much for subscribing. Thank y'all so much for staying with me. Y'all are most definitely some real ones. And also, I'm wearing an A&M shirt. Well, basically, like I could have wore something else, but I had to. I'm doing my little internship also, so I have do some live at I record live at at the kickoff party. I gotta be there by at least 11. So yeah, basically I'm not gonna lie, the kickoff party be the best event on campus, when it comes to homecoming. So cause as soon as 12 o'clock hits, as soon as midnight hits, the fireworks go off, and that's basically that basically means that homecoming has officially started. So yep, I'm fully dressed, and I don't know if I want to take my do-rag off, see how my waves look, honestly, but I just put it on. So I don't know if, but y'all gonna see later on. I also just got back to my apartment. I was actually helping my brother earlier, so yep, y'all already know what time it is. It's time for that little fit check. So let me give y'all a little full detail of what my outfit looks like. So yep, here we go. Let me turn it on. So yeah, this is my outfit. So y'all already know I got the A&M shirt, the camouflage pants, cause why not, and the forces, cause why not. So yeah. Yep. I don't know. I think I might put me on another shirt. I can't lie to you, cause I don't think I'm gonna have this on the whole time. Yeah, I think I'm gonna record this for my internship. So yep, with this shirt on. So, and also we get it a media pass also. So since we interns, so I really don't know what the media pass is for, but I'm gonna find out sometime later in the week. So yep. So yep, here go the outfit. Yep, like I said, I think I'm gonna get me a shirt to put on later. So yep, here go the outfit. And yep, so here we go. Yep. That fit check is done, the intro is done. Y'all already know what time it is. Kickout party time. Let's get right into it. So I'll see y'all when I get on campus. So yep.
Let's go. Let's go.
Hey vlog! Homecoming week here at A&M. Y'all better tap in with Gabe. What you talking about?
Yeah.
Hey guys! Don't forget, what did I tell you every single time? Subscribe. Don't forget to push notify anyway. And just watch the videos. What are you doing? What are you really doing if you're not watching Gabe?
Right.
Nothing.
Exactly. Oh, you're right. Let's do it. Let's head out. Yeah, let's fuck.
Hey, look at you.
Hey, let me go in that bed real quick. Make sure our boys sub the light, no couch.
On my mama. Oh, shit, my bad. Yeah.
All y'all gotta be over there. Gospel Explosion tomorrow, 6 p.m. Event Center. Go.
I thought it was 6:30.
What? 6:30, 6 p.m. Get there on time. Go.
I gotta be there anyway.
Damn. Get over here.
That camera still on me?
So that was the kickoff party, aka the Dusk Till Dawn party. So yep, I thought the party ended at 2. Honestly, because I heard that it ended at 2, but so I did this. I also had to do this little video for like my internship or whatever with like WJB TV. I decided I wanted to go live, you know, and just just tell everybody, come out to like the homecoming kickoff party, like because it was like a PSA. So yep, I was intending to change my shirt, but I really didn't feel like going to the car to get it. So yep. Here's the shirt right here. Tomorrow we have the gospel concert, the gospel explosion. I have to be there anyway because I have to help this dance group record. Like I'm gonna be there the whole time because I got to be at the event center like 12:45. Homecoming week has just begun. Literally, what the Cheetah Girl say? The party's just begun. And I got this little pass. I got this little media pass. I was able to go on stage and give you some content. So, yep, that's exactly what I did. I think I'm basically using this for like the whole week, basically. It's just like for like concerts, events, and all that. I don't know what I'm gonna do now, so I guess I'm gonna see y'all, tomorrow. So it's the next day. So it is it's 1-on-1. Y'all already know what today is. Today is the gospel concert, but y'all already know I gotta be there way earlier because I gotta help some people record. The gospel explosion, it don't really start till 6:30. So I'm about to head out now. I'm already dressed. So yeah, I'm actually about to put me on a different shirt. So yeah, like when I get to the event center, let me do a little quick fit check. I'm really not gonna do the mirror fit check because I'm rushing and I just really don't got time to do all that. So here we go. Like the black shirt, the camouflage pants, and y'all already know the one and only dunks. So yeah. So yeah, we gotta since I'm helping the group record, I gotta wear like not khaki, but camouflage pants because that's what they're supposed to be wearing. So they asked me to also wear camouflage pants. I'm about to head out. It's 1:02. I gotta I really don't know like what they want me to do now, but I'm gonna see when I get there. So yeah. But anyway, I'll see y'all at the event center.
Hey y'all. If y'all not at the Gospel Explosion 2024, 2025, I don't know what to tell you, okay? Because turn the camera around, Gabe. Turn the camera around. See, these people right here, they mine. We tied. Get in here. You don't want to miss it. Hallelujah. Cut the camera off.
Bobby. I'm so hot already. It hasn't even started yet. And I'm already sweating. I feel like I'm in church for real. It's literally. Yep. So yeah, we got like what time is it? 11 more minutes until it starts. Oh, it's 5. This is 6:20.
Yes, 6:19 I think. But yeah. So we're doing this. Yep.
Come on,
I'ma get off that.
Our Savior, let us wear a shower from my provider. Jehovah Nissi, Lord, you reign. Lord, you reign in victory. Jehovah.
Miss Leandria Johnson! Come on, if y'all love God, make some noise. I need y'all to make a big choir for me. Go ahead on, take like 2 minutes. Go ahead on. Talk to your neighbor if you ain't said nothing to him all night. Scream at him. I don't care if they get mad at you. Scream at him. You better let your neighbor know who they sitting next to.
Don't do it without me.
Let's
Yep, that was the gospel explosion, and my watch dead. It's 10:34. I basically been there for like 9 hours, basically. But I had me a good time. I'm a little tired, but yep, it'll all blow over. Tomorrow we're doing something. 2024 homecoming experience. Tomorrow we have a cookout and a basketball game. It's tomorrow at 6, and then Tuesday we have chefs with Cam, and we also have like groove skate night. So, and also like they made us do like this little form where like the first 500 people, you know, like get in for free, you know, like with their student IDs, and they get transportation. But I necessarily don't need transportation because I already know I got my car. So yep, like I said, that was the gospel concert. That was, yeah, had me a good time. But anyway, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Day 4. So today we got the, what is it? We got the little chefs with Cam at 11, I think. And then later on tonight, you know, also we had that skate night thing. Day 3 was actually the cookout plus that little basketball tournament or that little basketball game, whatever it was. But unfortunately, I had to work. My brother had asked me to help him with his job. I was hoping I would make it in time, but unfortunately, I didn't because I came to campus and everybody was gone. Well, everybody was getting ready to leave. So, yep. I'm a little disappointed that I missed it because that wasn't part of the plan. Because I was planning on going to like at least one event every day this week. So I'm actually going to class right now. It's 8:03. I know I'm a little late, but yep. I had woke up late, so yep. Let's do this little fake check real quick. It's a little suit, the little black and white suit with the bow tie. Well, I'm actually dressed up because I gotta do something for my internship. So yeah, but I gotta do another thing for my internship. So yep. My advisor, he's doing this little intern reveal. So yep, that's why I'm dressed up. So yep, he got a black and white, black pants, black shoes, white shirt, and black and white stripy bow tie. So yep, here we go. So that's the fake check. I'm about to head to campus, and I'll see y'all when I get to Chefs with Cam.
What's up, guys? It's the favorite Chef Cam. We are here. You know what time of the year it is. It's homecoming. We are at the Joseph F. Drake Center for recipes to evolve. It's homecoming. We got free food, fried chicken, grilled chicken, catfish, spaghetti. Come see us some fun too. This is all for you.
Woo, say that.
Yeah.
Hi, it's because we're the best to every boy. You already know the vibe. We out on the block. We out here catching y'all. We got cooking with Kim. It's homecoming. It's homecoming. We're cooking with Kim, and I'm alumni. He was on cooking shows. He's on TV. And now we're here trying his recipes. You know, give it back. You know the vibe. No class. It's homecoming. What are you talking about? We're outside. She definitely. She's not the night for that. She was. Hey, get your spot. When you come out and start, you better be ready.
Right.
Yeah, all right. It's my area. It's like it's not. I'm on the camera. Spring outfit. Outfit D. Shirt, of course. Shoes, like and pants. It's from fashion.
Right.
All right, y'all. You know my outfit. My shirt is from Ross. I get like my I don't know where my shorts are. They're pretty old. Probably Ross or Relative. Ross, period. And Ross the Boss in it. Ross the Boss. I'm not gonna. I got these from here, so I can change mine. And hair. So, Tustin, Alabama. I got my curls for me. I do my curls out. But I think it's every watch. It's giving iCarly. You some iCarly at. I ain't nothing like iCarly. iCarly cool, but
Bust a move? Ah.
I'm not real. I'm gonna let y'all know now. We're not real. Like we are real, but we are not real. We're just, out here.
Turn that camera's in here, so I just play. I know.
It's kind of great time at the homecoming event. I see y'all.
Hands on your knees.
knees, hands on your knees. If that broken, make that freeze. Shake it out with no cheese. Don't need pull it up with no cheese. All the drink with a bottle of it. Feel right, feel right.
When I think about you, I think about giving myself to you.
Take a shot to Chef Cam. Alabama A&M University alumnus. Homecoming 2024, and that's all you need.
Alright, y'all, so here's me later. It's 6 o'clock on the dot, and y'all already know what tonight is. Tonight is the skate night. So basically it's 70s theme, basically. But I don't wanna look too flashy because I'm pretty sure like it probably ain't gonna be that many people that's gonna dress up. But I don't know. I just decided to dress up because it was 70s theme. Yeah, it starts at the skate night starts at 7. I'm about to finish getting dressed, and I'll come back to y'all when I get the finishing result. All right, so here go the finishing touch. So here we go. Here go the little like I said, it's the skate night is 70s theme. So I just put me on like a shirt that looked like it was from the 70s. So yep. So I got the black hat, the glasses, cause why not? The Hawaiian shirt, the khaki shorts, cause why not? And hopefully I won't fall. Hopefully I won't fall and hurt myself this time. And the dunks, whatever. So y'all are familiar with the dunks. So yep, it is 6:08. My chain, I had left that at my brother's house. I don't know why. I keep forgetting to get stuff from over his house, but yeah. But anyway, here go the fit, the little outfit review. And yep, so fit check is done, and I'll see y'all when I get to skate night. Cause I'm getting on the bus, and I'm driving to campus, but I'm getting on the bus. So yep, see y'all there, or when I get on the bus.
Trey, I need Trey to the front. Mike Brown. I need Mike Brown to the front.
Lord, we gonna get bro. Listen, bro. If I drive this bus, bro, I promise you, we gonna get there in like 5 minutes, bro. I'm telling you, running red lights and all, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I got us, bro. Please.
You don't we're not gonna die tonight.
Day 5, everybody. So this is Every Sunday Wednesday / the faculty yard show. So it's already started. So it's over there. So we gonna watch the alumni. It's basically like a faculty NPHC yard show. It's basically like a step show, basically, but on the quad. We did it last year, so yep. It's 12:27. It started at 12, but I'm pretty sure they just not starting because you already know this is a HBCU. So yeah, of course they're gonna start whenever they feel like it. But anyway, here we go. ESW / The Yard Show.
Yeah, they lose. Hold the move. Come on, Mr. Wells.
Alright, y'all, so here's me later in the evening. It's 6:17, and y'all already know what this is. This is the fashion show. I think it's hosted by Ward, I think. Give me 1 second. So it said that it starts at 6:30, but on the website it said that it started at 7. So I'm not really like I said, I'm really not sure what time it starts. I'm gonna go ahead and go to Elmore, because that's where it is. It's at Elmore. It's for the audition for the fashion show, but unfortunately I didn't get in. So I was hoping and praying that I did get in, but I didn't get no email. It's 6:20 and the thing starts at 6:30, and I'll see y'all, when I get in. Day 6, everybody. So this is 719, and this is the comedy show with my boy DC Young Fly. So oh, my bad. People's some people in front of us, so don't mind that. But yeah, it's 719. I had to wait on this dude because they wouldn't allow him to bring his book bag. They wouldn't allow him to bring his book bag, so they turned him around. So they turned him around, and now he called me and asked me to wait on him. So
I don't like how you telling my business, tell YouTube channel like that.
I gotta give reasons. But anyway, yep. The comedy show is at the event center. So yep. Hopefully.
You got your ticket?
Yeah, Ben got my ticket. Yep. I'll see y'all when I get to the event center. So yes, I will.
Man, come on, man. Call me DC, I'm in the city. Girl, stop playing with me and I grab the titties. I'm running high in the class. You say it first, man.
Day 7, everybody. So this is the alumni day party. They already had the block party, but I didn't go. Yeah, I don't really feel like going for real. They post the Anthem website or whoever, they put it on that was going live on Instagram, and yeah, it's like I decided that I didn't want to go. Plus, so I had some stuff to do before then. And plus, I just got out of class, so yep. This is the day party. It's 3:09. It starts at 3. It started at 3, so it's like I'm like, yeah, it's like it started 9 minutes ago. So yeah, and y'all need to see like, y'all look. Do y'all see how crowded it is? Look out there too. Look, y'all look at that. But yep. So yeah, it's kind of hot out here too. So yeah, I'm pretty sure some of my family members gonna be out here because like they alumni at A&M too. So yep. Oh yeah, and also I was attending to finish recording last night, but after the comedy show, but y'all already know I fell asleep, so I didn't really wake up till the next morning. So yeah, so this is the alumni day party. It's 3:10, and I'm about to make my way out there. And yep, I'll see y'all when I get up out here. Come on, Steve, let's see what you got. And y'all, I also forgot to mention that we also have King George as our guest star. It's bad, I don't even know what he looks like. For real, I really don't know what he looks like. So I really don't know like who that is up there singing right now. So it's like what, 3:46 is almost 4 o'clock. So we're just gonna see how this goes. So my brothers, they here. So like them the only my only family members that I saw. But yeah. But anyway, I'll see y'all later in a few minutes.
I came to class for no reason, bro.
Huh?
I came to class for no reason. I'm so mad. I went to the game.
Yeah, he told us Wednesday.
I didn't know. Like, I was trying to remember. Like, am I being recorded? Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Yeah. We're having a great time. So it's time for the step show. We here at the event center. It's 7:30. Like, this line is huge, as y'all can see. Y'all look. We crowded like a pack of sardines.
I was gonna say, hey,
So-
put the camera at me.
So yeah, so yeah, I'm about to get my ticket ready. So hopefully we get inside in time. So yeah. So we here waiting.
I just hope my phone don't die on me.
So I just got here, so I had to squeeze in where John Q was. But anyway, yep. I guess y'all see y'all when I get in the event center. Okay, so that was the step show. So as y'all saw, the winners for the frats, the frat winner for the step show was the Q Dogs, the Omega Sci-Fi, and the winner for the sororities was the AKAs. Cause I was rooting for them. I'm glad they won because I was rooting for them like the whole time because like they had the most best step ever. Literally, they literally had the best step ever. So, yep. It's over. It's 10:23. So y'all already know what tomorrow is. Tomorrow is the big day. Tomorrow is the homecoming game. We play against Bethune-Cookman. So if make sure that y'all come out. It starts at 2:00, and then after that, tomorrow night we have the concert. We have Glorilla, Boosie, Big Boogie, I think. So yeah, make sure y'all come out to both of them events. So yep. So yep, that's the end of that, and I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, y'all. So it's the next morning. It's 7:54, and like I said last night, the parade it starts at 8. So I'm on my way there. So I haven't been to the parade since freshman year, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good. So I put on my hoodie because it's a little chilly out here. It's like 50-some degrees. So yep, I'm on my way to the parade, and I'll see y'all there.
They know you. What up?
Leslie.
Welcome back to the hill, everybody.
Ephraim.
Welcome back to the hill.
Go.
What up, gang?
Trey.
Hey, that's how you doing? Doing good, doing good.
It's 11:59. It's about to be 12 in a minute. So we here, me and my family, we getting ready to leave, go to the stadium for the game. So yep, and it's like I'm trying to leave here by like 12:15. I guess like get there like be like no later than like, but you know we just gotta be there by 1. I have to be there by 1 because I got to record the Bulldog run. So yep, so that's what I'm doing. And yeah, I got my media pass right here. So yep. I'm AAMU ready, as you guys can see. Yeah, this the y'all know I wore the shirt at the Lewis Cruise Classic. So yeah, it's the only good Anthem shirt that I had. So yep. So yeah, we getting ready to go. And y'all already know I'm gonna see y'all at the stadium.
Yeah, it's hot out here. I'm here with these are my co-interns. But yeah.
Impact service at noon, located at 100 Orange Drive. We use the Word of God to reach generations through a contemporary style of worship.
Happy homecoming! Okay, you ready, gang?
Don't leave just yet. I think there's more to come. I don't know, but I think there's something else that we got for you. But I'm looking around. Looking around, so make sure you entertain your friend. Make sure you tell a friend about the game this afternoon.
Best homecoming ever. The Bulldogs have officially won once again. So yeah, we played against Bethune-Cookman. So I'm pretty sure y'all already know what time it is next. It's time to go see Glorilla. Time for the Glorilla concert. So it's 6:15. So basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go home, go back to my apartment, change my clothes real quick. Yep. So now I'm on my way back to my car, and then after that, I'm heading out to my apartment, and then heading on over to my auntie's house so we can go to the concert. So that's the plan. See y'all then. All right, so I've made it over here to the Von Braun Center. It's 7:42. I had trouble trying to find parking, and also it was because traffic was backed up a little bit. So, yep. So I'm on my way to see Glorilla. Because you know we got Glorilla, Big Boogie, and Boosie. All three of them performing. So, yep. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure it's probably just not starting because you already know how people be. But, yep, it's like people. It's people still coming. So yeah. But anyway, I'm about to get in here. Listen to me some Glorilla, Big Boogie, and Boosie. I listen to Glorilla, but Big Boogie and Boosie, I don't listen to none of them. So, well, I listen to them sometimes, but not all the time. But yeah, here we go. Here go the Von Braun Center, and let's get into it. Let's begin our concert part of the vlog.
What's up, bro? Fast Kickoff! Got the rubber band when you get up. Say what? Booty strike, tick, stand down. Look out! Baby, put up on me, you can use your body script. Life right now, bro. You feel me? So if you winning right now, continue to win. Don't let no hate motherfucker come down with it. Don't let no dead hate come down with it. Y'all see this been like you back no white man. Speak with some. Okay, we're live on. Come on. Can you get me head? Can you get me head? Shout out to my motherfucking Boosie fans in this motherfucker. If you're a Boosie fan, say I am. Everybody ain't your motherfucking friend. You know somebody keep your motherfucking head. Everybody ain't no real nigga. If I say I got you. When it's fucked up, it get fucked up.
99 problems and the biggest one is me. You got all the little bitches and the biggest one is me. I'm from up on my face, I know they trying to get the teeth. I don't be fucked up by nothing, cause I be smoking weed. It's cool to have a bunch of things on my knees. Sweetie, if you wanna wait back, you gotta tell me please. Money long check, pussy good shit, ain't all mama straight check. Right now I'm feeling bad, right now I'm on that gas and now I'm feeling lit. No, we probably won't be popping shit if nobody was ready. I'd rather get a people hoping points to be killing for.
Oh, motherfucker, show. So, I know y'all get ratchet out here because y'all up the street from Memphis and shit, so y'all ready to get ratchet? Let's get ratchet then. Play this shit, Don. What Juicy say? He like, shut the fuck up!
He's gonna kick, what? Make this pussy crazy. Do this motherfucker, how you do that, brush it crazy. Smoking on the pack, you know this pussy bad. Looking like he's feeling got his nose out in my crack. On that DC world, he know this Gucci's out. And based off his performance, I'm like, mother drop the status, have to take a mother down. I don't post his ass, I go his ass, and leave him on the stop. Don't wanna be your teeth, it's soften up his sorry, God. What's up, Mr. Ling? I'm trying to be karate chop. Make some motherfucking noise.
if you a bad bitch, let me hear you make some motherfucking noise. Oh, God. I made this song for my bad bitches across the world.
Bad bitches on one.
Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back.
Get him blow, 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 get him blow. Make some motherfucking noise.
So it's the next day, and it's the that was the concert, the Boogie, Boosie, and Glorilla concert. It was pretty good, especially Glorilla. That's why I came for mostly. I mostly came for her. Like out of all three of them, the only person song I listen to the most is Glorilla. So it actually took her a little while to get out of there, because everybody was like, where's Glorilla? Where's Glorilla? Because it did take her a while. So it was like I was sitting there charging my phone, and as soon as I heard Glorilla, I got right up and I got up. So I walked straight to the crowd. My camera had died in before Glorilla came out, so I had to record everything from my phone. Yeah, my phone was messing with me too. My phone kept dying on me too, so I had kept having to charge it. But at least I got some footage of all three of them. So yeah, that's the end of homecoming week. That basically wraps it up for homecoming. I really hope that y'all, enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you do these 3 things. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe so that way you'll be notified whenever I post my content. And that way you won't be disappointed. So once again, on this bed is just too comfortable. But, yep. I really hope y'all, enjoyed this video. I really appreciate y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next one as always. Have a nice day, everybody. This is G-Square TV, and I will see y'all later. Love y'all. See y'all in the next video. Peace out. Happy A&M homecoming.
I'm like, cool, let him run his move. Do what he gon' do, cause this the plot. Put him in a pot, let it cook like stew. I grab my Glock. If it do a lot, but it's this you like, no, we at the top. Yeah, we lost a